Hi, I'm going to do a little introductory video here to Autodesk Formit. And what is Autodesk Formit? Well, you could call it Autodesk version of SketchUp. And Autodesk have been working on Formit in the background for quite a number of years now, and it has really, really got better. Um, I remember using it a few years ago and thinking, yeah, it's not bad, but could be improved. Well, they've gone and improved it. So here is the format.autodesk.com website. Is worth having a look in here. Please don't download it from here. I'm going to show you how to download this properly under your Autodesk student license. Notice as well that you can launch Formit on the web, so you can actually start using Formit, a modified version of it, directly in a web browser. Now that's exciting as well to be able to do that. Here's the interesting bit. Format supports iteration with Revit to connect your design concepts to your BIM without remodeling. That's the thing, without remodeling. And if you're using other kind of sketch-based, 3D sketch-based applications like SketchUp or something like that, there's the possibility that you'd have to go in and do some remodeling in order to get that translation from the native application into Revit. Because it's an Autodesk product, that happens pretty seamlessly here. Design with intelligence, that means that it is also making use of the BIM 360 servers. Formit Pro is the one we're interested in here, and here are a few of its parameters of its better usage. So real-time collaboration, you can actually have two or three people working on the same Formit model. So again, that's through our BIM 360 servers. Energy analysis, quite good energy analysis, in fact, very good energy analysis using Autodesk Insight, backed up by Green Building Studio. We've got solar analysis here. It can access the Autodesk material library, and look, you can run Dynamo scripts on this as well. Now, in order to download this, you're best off going into your account on the Autodesk Education Community. Make sure you're signed in here. Make sure you get this message up here saying hi to your name, and scroll down. Not that one, this one here, Formit Pro. If you click on Access, it'll actually download a file to your downloads folder. Double click that, get it to install, and when you install it, it'll put up an icon here. It'll probably ask you to sign in order to activate the license. So sign in via your Autodesk student account, all those details. I had a little bit of a problem signing in with this one. It gave me an error, but then it popped up and said everything was good. So I'm not quite sure what that was about. And then here's your screen here. So one of the nice things about this is that in comparison with Revit, it's got a limited tool set, but still very powerful tool set. And it's all about uh, drawing and extruding up solids and that type of thing using additive and subtractive strategies and all that type of stuff as well. So the website itself, okay, has some good tutorials. What's new? Formit for Windows, yeah, okay. Release notes, it's got a primer, which is basically a full start to finish how to build Farnsworth House using Autodesk Formit. Now that's I've done this, and it's a little bit tricky starting off with, to be honest with you. Lots of good. It covers basically all the basics that you need to know, but I found that one a little bit difficult to do, to be honest with you. There's other websites there in and around the Autodesk community that give plenty of information on how to use the various different tools. And so we might have a go at this and see how we get on. But it is something that I think would be a really, really strong um, application for you to know and to learn. If you go into the office, if they're asking you to go to do something in SketchUp, ask can you do it in Formit, because it's preparing you without having to go and remodel to bring something into Revit and take it on from there. Okay.